Plus Migrator allows you an extremely affordable way to migrate your content and tag and do everything you need to move your solutions to Office 365 or on-premise SharePoint. So the problems with migrating SharePoint Online, Office 365, or on-premise is really that you have a lot of unstructured data that needs to be moved to your SharePoint implementation, and there's no easy way to do that without a third-party tool.
I know a lot of companies struggle with managed metadata and getting them to work with client applications, especially legacy ones.
Yeah, some of the big limitations with some of the third-party tools that are out there is they're really difficult to use. You need to install them on top of SharePoint, or you need some sort of server-side agent to be applied.
They look at the prices and they have to spend, tens of thousands of dollars to get their migration complete.
We had a lot of clients that were actually trying to migrate to the cloud, and it was very difficult. Some of the big problems with some of the third-party tools that are out there today is that they're actually really difficult to use because they have third-party installs that you have to do on the SharePoint framework.
General users find it almost impossible to use many of the existing migration tools because they're so complex and cumbersome.
We've been doing SharePoint migrations for years, and our expertise were really centered around how to move that content up. So really adding the code and automating the process was quite easy for us because we knew the business process to move to the cloud or on-premise SharePoint.
Plus Consulting is entering its 15th year in business, and as you might imagine, during those many projects across many customers and many industries, we've had the unique opportunity to develop some truly valuable intellectual property.
The Plus Migrator allows you to map any metadata field in SharePoint directly within the migrator, and even work on creating and manipulating document libraries within the tool itself. So you never have to leave the tool and you get a complete experience.
The Plus Migrator tool will automatically correct illegal file names when you upload into the cloud or on-premise SharePoint.
Not only does the Plus Migrator move documents, but it integrates with Outlook. So if you're working in Outlook and you want to move something into SharePoint with metadata, you can drag and drop directly from Outlook into the Plus Migrator, and it'll recognize all of the Outlook metadata automatically.
Plus, the Plus Migrator tool will actually install on the desktop and you can run it very easily. The nice thing about Plus Consulting having a migration tool is that it allows us to actually create custom migrations for clients.
In fact, we do have one large client that actually is working with us to customize it for their own migration of several million documents. We have great online support videos that walk you through the various aspects of the tool. We also have online support email address, and you can even buy one-on-one support from us online.
The Plus Migrator is a great tool for different audiences. One audience would be the IT administrators that actually need to move unstructured data.
Let's make this available so that the admins can pass this down to the users who are actually interacting with the documents on a daily basis. The affordability of the Plus Migrator really makes it a great product for small companies or whole departments to work together using the Plus Migrator to complete their migrations.
Go to our website, get the evaluation, install it on your machine, and within 3 minutes you could actually be doing migrations to Office 365 or on-premise SharePoint.